Hey guys, it's Kevin. Today we're going to circle back this EcoTank ET2720 and we're going to go over this scanner error. It'll be E02100016. And here's Abby.
Hey guys, it's Abby here. So we have a scanner error and it has to do with this top gear in the scanner. So go ahead and pry to the side your side cover and detach your 3 FC cables and unscrew your ground wire. Now this was pretty fun for me to figure this out, so I'm excited to show y'all how to fix this. Now I've already worked with the scanner a couple times figuring out how to fix this, so I've already taken out the 4 screws. So I'm just putting my drill to show you where to take out the 4 screws to open up the scanner itself. Now once you do that, go ahead and work on carefully opening up the actual scanner by prying the white top of the scanner off. And be careful because the glass is connected to the white part, but if you pull too hard or anything, the glass can just come off, so just be careful. Now you see the top gear, when I push it down, it sits on top of a motor. So originally I thought, okay, just push it down and it'll be fixed. And as you see, I move the lamp all the way back over and it sits on this track here that I'm showing. And when you push it all the way back over, just make sure that when you lay it back down, it fits back into place on this track so it can scan, you put back on the scanner. And this bottom gear, it has these little teeth, and make sure that gear, the bottom gear, lines up. So originally I thought if I just push it back down, I'll be okay. I put this scanner back together and that top gear popped back up. And that's when I realized that it actually has this black lever that has to hold down that top gear. So when the motor runs, it doesn't pop it back up. So go ahead and put that black lever to hold that top gear down. So when the motor moves that top one, it can move the bottom one along the teeth, along that rail. And so we can see it worked. And here I am putting my Pokemon card in. And I'll go ahead and see if I can scan it and see if we get any errors. So Pokemon cards in, put it to scan it, and we'll see that my paper comes through and I got no error this time. Looky at this, we'll see. Here we go, my Pokemon card comes out. Happy printing, everyone.
Okay, I hope you enjoyed this video. Visit us at www.bchtechnologies.com or locally at Greensboro, North Carolina. Cheers.